Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add number row to your keyboard for SONY Xperia Pro-I. So as you can see, if we go to any app that allows our keyboard to pop up, there's no numbers right here. In order to write any number, we'll need to go to our number section right here. Now to add the bar right here with the numbers, we'll need to go to our settings, scroll all the way down, find system, then go to languages and input, select the on-screen keyboard and the Gboard, then preferences, and from here enable the number row. Now if we go back to the Google, we can see numbers right here and we can write them easily. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.